Hello, let's solve this radical problem. We are going to make use of two different methods. We have square root of t divided by t, and this equals 2. We are going to solve for all values of t that satisfy this equation. Now, this is what we are going to do. I can decide to divide this by 1, then I cross multiply. Now, the t will multiply the 2, while the root t will multiply 1. So what we are going to have is root t times 1, that is root t, and this equals t times 2, that is 2t. So from here, there is square root here. I can decide to take the squarish or put part of this equation. So remember, if you have x or square root of x raised to the power of 2, this is just like writing x power 1 over 2, that is the meaning of square root of x, and this is raised to the power of 2, then multiply the exponent using a power n raised to the power of m equals a power n times m. And once you multiply this exponent, you are going to have x power 2 over 2, and this equals x because 2 over 2 is 1. Now, so that is why we say this cancel this. We have t equals, for this, if you have a times b raised to the power of c, this equals a power c times b power c. So you distribute the exponent to each of these terms here. That means you distribute this to each of the terms here. You have 2 to the power of 2 times t to the power of 2. Right here we have t equals 2 to the power of 2. That is 4 times t power 2. And multiply this out. You have t equals 4t squared. From here, you can easily solve for t by moving this over here. You have 4t squared minus t, this equals 0. After rearranging it, then there is t here, there is t here. You can factor out t. 4t squared divided by t, this is 4t minus t divided by t. That is 1, and this equals 0. From here, you can have t equals 0. You can also have 4t minus 1 equals 0. This one is solved already, so that is one of the solutions based on what we have done so far. Now, for us to solve this, I move this negative 1 over here. I have 4t equals positive 1. I solve for t by dividing this by 4, dividing this by 4. 4 eliminates 4, and I have t equals 1 over 4. This is another value of t. Now, in this particular method, we have two different solutions, 0 and 1 over 4. Now, let's consider solving this in another way. We have root t divided by t equals 2. Now, let's start by using this identity. If you have square root of x, this is just like writing x power 1 over 2. So let's replace this with this. So we are going to have t power 1 over 2 divided by t, and this equals 2. And remember, the t here is raised to the power of 1. So if you have a power n divided by a power n, this equals a power n minus n. So we are going to subtract the powers since the bases are the same. So we are simply going to have t power 1 over 2 minus 1 equals 2. So the next thing we are going to do is to subtract 1 from 1 over 2. We have 1 over 2 minus 1 divided by 1. We find LCM 2, 2 divides 2, 1. 1 times 1, 1 minus 2 divides 1, 2. 2 times 1, 2. This equals 1 minus 2, negative 1 over 2. So at this particular point, we have t power negative 1 over 2 equals 2. So from here, the next thing I'm going to do will be to raise each part of this equation to the power of 2 so that I can eliminate this. I have t power negative 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2, and this equals 2 power 2. Now, if you have a power n raised to the power of m, this equals a power n times m. So I'm going to multiply this exponent. That means I'm simply going to have t power negative 2 over 2. And this equals 2 power 2, that is 4. 2 times negative 1, that is negative 2 over 2. And from here, negative 2 over 2 is negative 1. I have t power negative 1 equals 4. Now remember, if you have a power negative 1, this equals 1 over a. So t power negative 1 is the same thing as 1 over t. I have 1 over t equals 4. This over 1. I can cross multiply. 1 will multiply 1 here. T will multiply 4. So I have t times 4. That is 4t equals 1 times 1. That is 1. I solve for t. Dividing this by 4. Dividing this by 4. 4 cancel 4. I have t equals 1 over 4. Now, in this second method, I have only one solution. Now, in the first method, we had two different solutions. So what are the solutions we have gotten so far? We have t equals 0, t equals 1 over 4. Now, let's check for each of these solutions. We have square root of t divided by t equals 2. Let's start with 0. We have square root of 0 divided by 0 equals 2. Right? The square root of 0 is 0. We have 0 divided by 0. Is this 2? Obviously no. In fact, 0 divided by 0 is undefined. So this is not true. That means this is not one of the solutions. Let's consider when t equals 1 over 4. So I have t equals 1 over 4. I have square root of t divided by t equals 2. I substitute 1 over 4 for t. That means I have square root of 1 over 4 divided by 1 over 4 equals 2. Now, if you have square root of a over b, this equals square root of a divided by square root of b. So we apply that here. That means we are simply going to have square root of 1 divided by square root of 4 divided by 1 divided by 4. Is it the same thing as 2? Question mark. Now square root of 1 is 1 divided by square root of 4, that is 2, divided by 1 divided by 4 equals 2. Question mark. Now, if you have a divided by b divided by c divided by d, this equals a divided by b times d divided by c. dt comes up and that is it. We apply the same thing here. We have 1 over 2 times 4 divided by 1. The 4 here comes up just like this. And this equals 2. 4 times 1, that is 4 divided by 2 times 1, that is 2. And this equals 2. So 4 divided by 2, this is 2, and this equals 2. So the only solution that satisfies this equation is t equals 1 over 4. So this becomes our answer right now. The only solution, that is t equals 1 over 4. We have been able to solve this using two different methods. So any method you feel like is left for you. Now, that is it. That is how you can easily solve this using two different methods. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you and see you again.